Hi everybody, today I thought you might be interested in having a look at one of the most amazing British garden centres that I've ever seen, and God knows I've probably been to hundreds. It is a bit of a national pastime. We are a nation of gardeners, according to Napoleon, although I know that's a misquote. But we went to Bent's, which is near Warrington in the northwest of England, and it is absolutely astonishing. I mean, you can see from this picture, right, that it's big, and that's just one small part of it. I'm going to show you some footage that we took today, but just so you're aware of the sort of place that we have here, there are a whole bunch of different headings. This is their online website. Um, you can see the kind of things that they have. It's extraordinary, and not just like a department store, which it actually probably is more like a department store, with a focus on gardening. But there's also several different eating areas and cafes, outdoor eating, indoor dining. I mean, honestly, I don't even know. I took some footage of various bits and pieces today because I was just overwhelmed by all the lovely Christmas stuff. But yeah, there is so much more to it. So okay, let's get into it. Let's have a look. Okay, so there was no way I could get a picture of the whole place because it was like an aircraft hangar. It's huge. This is just a small section of the conservatory area. There's food stalls down the bottom there, and then the outside. This is the inside kind of food court part, which again, this just shows a fraction of it. Cheese, meat, pies, cakes, oh, wine, beer, soft drinks, literally anything you can think of to buy, yogurt, milk, just groceries, oranges, limes, lemons, or just everything. It's overwhelming, but so good. Oh my goodness, this bit, the sweet counter. Yes, thank you. We came away with quite a lot of naughty stuff, it has to be said, but not to detract from the amazing displays. We are, what was it? I think Napoleon said shopkeepers, didn't he? But we're, shopkeepers and gardeners for sure. It's a pastime with us, and I don't know of any other country in the world that does garden centres quite like we do. And it's not just Bents; it's others as well. Practically everyone has different sections. Clothes, for example, here, shoes, and a crazy amount of things. But the displays, mwah, chef's kiss. And this stuff, the Lamax, every year I end up buying yet another thing to add to my Lamax collection. I love those little villages. But yeah, like I say, it's not just Bents. This every garden centre. This is a different garden centre, for example, that just again makes amazing displays. And then yet another one nearby to us also. I mean, the effort that goes into it, the building that they have to do to make all these things. Anyway, let me know. Do you have garden centres like this, or is it just us and we're completely bonkers? Take care. Stay safe, everybody.